Space. The final frontier? Well, Scotland certainly hopes that the space industry will be part of its frontier economy at the very least, with its plans to expand the sector. And the FT did a profile on Glasgow in particular recently to show how the space industry is clustering in that city in particular. But are all these plans a little bit pie in the sky? Or is Scotland right to be reaching for the stars? Let's see what the Data City data says. So Scotland certainly punches above its weight. It's one of only 3 regions, the southwest and the southeast being the other 2, whose share of the UK space industry is greater than its share of the economy overall. And you can see that in the white area of this chart here. But it's also true that it's a little bit behind the southeast, which is very much further ahead in terms of its development of the space industry. And what of Glasgow? Well, on the same measure, Glasgow is a stellar performer. It is 5th out of the 63 largest UK's largest cities and towns in terms of this overconcentration of this industry. But interestingly, it's not Glasgow, but Edinburgh, which is Scotland's star performer. It comes top of the whole list and has the greatest overperformance of any city or large town in the UK. So, on these measures, Scotland probably is right to be aiming for the moon, but it is still going to need one giant leap if it is going to eclipse the southeast and become the UK's premier place for the space industry.